Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable auto rotation screen in Poco M4 Pro 4G and 5G smartphones. Without a further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open settings. Then you need to swipe up. You need to click display. Then swipe up. Now we see the option called auto rotate screen in the bottom. You need to enable that. So after enabling, I will open the YouTube. I will open some video. We will check when you turn the phone, the rotation is working.
Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to change.
So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.